Hello and welcome to this tutorial video which will take you through the People Targeted tab of the OneGMS project proposal form. This tab allows you to enter data related to the people directly and indirectly targeted by the project. All data must be coherent with any sector indicators specified in the Log Frame tab. We advise you to first enter the total number of people targeted by category, and then the number of people targeted by sector and category. If you fill in the non-displacement related other category, you have the possibility to specify the nature of people targeted in this field. Once you have completed the people directly targeted tables, the total column and row will be automatically populated by the system. This section indicates the percentage of female, male and child. For persons with disabilities, only the percentage of persons with disabilities against the project total will be displayed. You can hover over the information icon to display the numerical value corresponding to the percentage. If something is missing or wrong in one of the tables, an error message will be displayed above the table, and the incorrect fields will be highlighted in red. The values entered in the sector table must be consistent with the values entered in the project total table. For instance, the cluster value for refugees, women 100 cannot be greater than the project total value of the same category 0. Now that your table is all set, you can fill in the next section of this tab, People Indirectly Targeted. This is the end of our tutorial video on how to fill the People Targeted tab of the OneGMS. If you have any question or comment, don't hesitate to contact us.